Hello, and welcome to another episode of Johnny Seagull's Gulinary Masterclass. Today we'll be learning about the art of the Japanese sandwich.
Johnny, I've never heard of Japanese sandwich before.
I'm glad you asked that question, Alex. See, the Japanese sandwich is known more commonly by its Japanese name, sushi.
Well, let's get cooking.
First thing we want to do is lay our seaweed out like so.
Okay.
Then we want to add a layer of glucose so that our ingredients will stick.
Okay.
Sticky, sticky. Next up, rice.
Okay.
And now for the money maker, bit of chicken. Some mayonnaise for that classic Japanese zest.
But, Johnny, that looks nothing like a sandwich.
Thanks for asking, Alex. See, in the year 400 BC, Jesus came to the West to try to bring to them the Japanese art of sandwich making. But they didn't have any seaweed in the West. So what Jesus did was he used bread instead of seaweed, and therefore the Japanese art of sandwich making was lost forever.
Wow, Johnny. I didn't realise until you told me just now.
Now it's time to slap this sushi sandwich into the oven. Would you care to do the honours, Alex?
You betcha, Johnny.
Greetings, humans! You have released me from my prison, and now I will grant you one wish.
I wish Alex was as cool as me. We were making a sushi roll, but it fell down on the floor. This ninja came in a puff of smoke, and now we are both cool.
I was trapped in a sushi roll, but I dropped it on the floor. And now I'm free as a buzzing bee, and soon I'll feast on their flesh.
Sushi will feast on our flesh.
I dropped the sushi on the... But Alex, that looks nothing like a sandwich.
But Alex?